In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the options in order for you to click only once when you try to open the folder in the File Explorer. So right now I have it set for me to open the file. I have to double click it and then it'll open. In order for you to change it into a single click, just like if you're opening a link in a browser, you come up here and you choose File, click Options, and click this one right here, single click to open an item. Click OK. So now every time you open a folder in your File Explorer, you only have to click once. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe.